Morning, this is Randy here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, my student Shatao, Assalamu alaikum, Marhaban, Sabal Khair. How vivid. Dear students, today we are going to be use of had. Had has a great importance in day-to-day short speaking English phrases. Let's start today's lesson. आइए अजीज़ तलबा आज हम had का इस्तेमाल देखते हैं. Had हैज हैव की पास्ट फॉर्म है और इसका इस्तेमाल आमतौर पे रोज़मर्रा मामलात ज़िंदगी में जो मुस्तमिल फ़िक्रात बोले जाते हैं उनमें इनका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. आज हम हैड के पॉजिटिव, अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव जुमले देखेंगे और इन्हें बोलने की भरपूर तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. आइए आज के सबक का आगाज़ करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज़ लेसन. Here you are my students. The first one is Anna had a lovely doll. Anna had a lovely doll. Anna had a lovely doll. Anna के पास एक खूबसूरत गुड़िया थी. Anna had a lovely doll. Anna के पास एक खूबसूरत गुड़िया थी. Had tells us about the past. Anna had a lovely doll. Anna के पास एक खूबसूरत गुड़िया थी. Let's see the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Next one is Asad had a costly watch. Asad had a costly watch. Asad had a costly watch. असद के पास एक कीमती घड़ी थी. Asad had a costly watch. असद के पास एक कीमती घड़ी थी. Yes, my students. First we write the subject, then we add had for the past of has had, and then we complete the rest of the statement. So these are the beautiful statements. Anna had a lovely doll. Anna had a lovely doll. Anna के पास एक खूबसूरत गुड़िया थी. And next statement is Asad had a costly watch. Asad had a costly watch. असद के पास एक कीमती घड़ी थी. These are positive and affirmative statements. Let's move to the negative sentences. आइए मंफी जुमलों की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Here see my students. The negative first is Tim had not any chance. Tim had not any chance. Tim के पास कोई मौका नहीं था. Tim is the subject. Then we write had. Had is the past of has and have. And then for negative, after had we add not according to the rules. And then the rest of the statement any chance. Tim had not any chance. Tim had not any chance. Tim के पास कोई मौका नहीं था. Tim had not any chance. Tim के पास कोई मौका नहीं था. Tim had not any chance. Tim के पास कोई मौका नहीं था. A beautiful statement, isn't it? आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Let's move to the next statement. It's also in negative sense. ये भी एक मंफी जुमला है. Banu had no more excuse. Banu had no more excuse. Banu had no more excuse. बानो के पास मजीद बहाना नहीं था. बानो had no more excuse. बानो के पास मजीद बहाना नहीं था. जैसे my students, बानो is the subject. After the subject we add had for the past of has have. Then you see here we have no instead of not. No is also negates, is used for negative sense, and then the rest of the statement. So Banu had no more excuse. Banu had no more excuse. Banu had no more excuse. बानो के पास मजीद बहाना नहीं था. बानो के पास मजीद बहाना नहीं था. बानो had no more excuse. बानो के पास मजीद कोई बहाना नहीं था. बानो had no more excuse. बानो के पास मजीद बहाना नहीं था. Let's move to the next statement. You see my student, next one is had he a grand bungalow. Had he a grand bungalow. Interrogative sign. Had he a grand bungalow. क्या उसके पास एक आलीशान बंगला था. Had he a grand bungalow. Had he a grand bungalow. Had he a grand bungalow. क्या उसके पास एक आलीशान बंगला था. You see my students, in questionary statements सवालिया जुमलों में had को जुमले के शुरू में लिखा जाता है. Had he a grand bungalow. क्या उसके पास एक आलीशान बंगला था. Had he a grand bungalow. क्या उसके पास एक आलीशान बंगला था. Hey my students, these are very important. Use of had in past, and these type of statements are commonly used in day-to-day communication. I hope you will I wish you all the best. I'll see you